Dear students, our topic is trigonometry is going on. Trigonometry exercise 6F. Exercise 6F page 289. 289 or 289, Roman number 1, 6th question. Roman number 1, 6th question, two sums are there. Among them, first question, if, see the condition, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, prove that cos 2a cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Okay, 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Take LHS. LHS is cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Here, for first two terms, apply the formula cos c plus cos d. The formula of cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And here 1 is there. For 1 cos 2c, you apply the formula 1 minus 2 sin square c. If minus 1 is there, then you should apply 2 cos square c minus 1. Each and every formula I said, multiple angle, submultiple angle heading. Okay, now 2 cos c plus d by 2 concept here. 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2. 2 cos 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2. Cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus right here this is 1 minus 2 sin square c. So that is equal to 2 cos of a plus b we can write because 2 get cancelled into cos a minus b. 2 cos of a plus b into cos a minus b plus 1 minus 2 sin square c. Now 2 cos of given a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. So instead of a we can write 90 minus c, of course, or pi by 2 minus c into cos of a minus b plus 1 minus 2 sin square c. 2 sin square c. That is equal to cos 90 minus theta becomes sin theta. So right here this is 2 sin c. 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus 1 minus 2 sin square c. Now write the number 1 separately plus common the letter 2 sin c. This one you take common. So within the brackets you can write cos of a minus b minus sin c. 2 sin c. Okay, next step 1 plus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b minus sin of, instead of c again we can write 90 minus of a plus b. 90 minus of a plus b, that is equal to 1 plus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b minus this becomes sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta, formula cos theta. So it becomes cos of a plus b. Direct formula we are having cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sin a sin b. This is the direct formula we are having 2 sin a sin b. So multiply and write in the order 1 plus 2 2s are 4. In the order you write sin a into sin b into sin c. This is RHS. Two sums are there, boy. Sixth only one, second one. Now seventh. Condition a plus b plus equal to 0. 3 times by 1. Okay.
Then prove that.
Yes. If a plus b plus c is equal to 3 by 2, prove that.
First one.
First one.
Cos square a plus cos square b is equal to
Cos square a plus cos square b minus
cos square c
minus cos square c is equal to
minus 2 cos a cos b sin c sin c
minus 2 cos a cos b
sin c.
A plus b plus c equal to 3 by 2. Are you doing good, Hima? Here, one formula we can apply. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. What is the formula sin of a plus b to sin of a minus b? Without formula, you are nothing. అందుకే రోజు డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b formula sin square a minus sin square b are the same formula we can write as cos square b minus cos square a. If we write here 1 minus cos square a, if we write here 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square b, 1 minus cos square a minus within the brackets 1 minus cos square b. So 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square b. It can be understood as cos square b minus cos square b. So for this one, sin of a plus b to sin of a minus b also can be represented as formula cos square b minus cos square a. So second letter first letter second. Observe here. So here we can write second letter first letter second. Now take LHS. Take LHS. Cos square a. Cos square a plus cos square b minus cos square c. This can be represented as cos square a plus what I said, students, sin of a plus b to sin of a minus b formula. Second letter cos square b minus cos square. So second letter first letter second. Here second letter means cos of c plus b. Second letter first. A plus b into a minus b. So what is here second letter? Okay. Cos of c plus b into cos of c minus b. Cos of c plus b into cos of c minus b. Now, next step we can write cos square a plus b. This can be understood as for a plus b plus c he given as 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 meaning 270 minus a. 270 minus a into cos of c minus b. That is equal to cos square a. What is the value of cos 270 minus theta? Cos 270 minus theta, it is in which quadrant? Apply L-right angles. Cos 270 minus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. According to all silver cups, third quadrant cos is negative. In case of 270, the numbers will be changed. So it becomes sin A. Cos sin A into cos of c minus b. Sin A into cos of C minus B. Now C plus B into C minus B becomes cos B minus C. Cos square A. Cos square A can be understood as cos 270 of cos C plus B. That is why I am thinking cos. We need to write this one because cos square A becomes cos square of 180 minus 270 minus C plus B. Cos 270 minus C plus B also number will change. So what is happening? See the question properly. Cos.
Sin cos square B minus cos square C sin of sin.
Oh, not formula. Cos, not cos C plus B. It is sin. Sin. You should not write cos. Sin of C plus B into sin of C minus B. That is where I am getting confused here. Sin of C plus B into sin of C minus B. Now we should write here sin of 270 minus into sin of C minus B. Sin of 270 minus into sin of C minus B. Sin of C minus B. So cos square A, that is equal to cos square A. What is the value of sin 270 minus theta? Cos minus cos theta. So here I am writing plus cos A into sin of B minus C. Sin of minus theta becomes minus sin theta. Minus and you send again another minus. Minus and minus became plus. Now cos A you take common along with the two terms. Cos A taken common. So cos A plus this is sin of B minus C. That is equal to cos A into, now you should write instead of A, cos 270 minus of B plus C. Cos 270 minus of B plus C into sin of B minus C. That is equal to cos A into, this is the value of cos 270 minus theta. Minus sin theta. Minus sin theta. Minus sin of B plus C. Good. Sin 270 minus theta minus cos theta and sin of C minus B becomes sin of B minus C. Minus of minus become plus cos A 270 minus theta. Okay, minus is there now in our expression. Sin of B minus C. Now take minus as a common. Take minus as a common. So it is minus cos A into sin of B plus C minus sin of B minus C. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B formula. In the, that is not into 2 cos A sin B. So here 2 cos B sin C. 2 cos B sin C. Multiply now and write in order. Minus 2 cos A cos B sin C. This is our this. Super. Sixth question completed. 7th the second. Okay, you write it. Sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. Students, try it. Sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. Why are you late, boy?
Today is your birthday.
Your birthday. God bless you. Many more apparatus also. Sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. Sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. Prove that it is equal to minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. Second question, seventh one, second question. The condition is same. A plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2. Take it. A plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2. If a plus b plus c is equal to 3 pi by 2, take LHS. So LHS is here sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. Sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. Apply the formula for sin c plus sin d. Did you remember the formula, boy? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is the first formula in the transformation topic. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Apply here 2 sin of 2a plus 2b by 2. From here we start. Two sums completed, I think, boy. From here we start. 2 sin 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos of 2a minus 2b by 2. Cos of 2a minus 2b by 2. And sin 2c, general formula 2 sin c cos c. Because sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. You have no idea. You have no idea regarding formula, students. Yeah, maybe. So maybe you are unable to understand. Do you have idea sin 2a formula? 2 sin of a plus b. बिना ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के मैथ्स तो चंदमा बिना रोशन की जैसे అంటే చందమామ అనేది వెన్నెల లాంటిది ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ మ్యాథ్స్ అండర్స్టూడ్ చందమామ ఎట్లా వెన్నెలతో ఉంటుందో ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అట్లా మ్యాథ్స్ తో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత 2 sin of a plus b into here cos of a minus b minus 2 sin c cos c minus 2 sin c cos c, that is equal to 2 sin of. If you are unable to understand, don't try to listen simply. Okay, 2 sin of what is meant by a plus b here? 3 pi by 2 minus c, 270 minus c. కనీసం ఈ ఉన్నదైనా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. 2 sin of 270 minus c into cos of a minus b minus 2 sin c cos c. So sin 270 minus theta becomes cos theta minus cos theta. तो मुझे చెప్పుకున్నా కదా sin 2 cos theta minus పెడతాం minus 2 cos minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b minus 2 sin c cos c. Which term you can take common? Along with the minus you take common. Minus 2 cos c taken common. So you write cos of a minus b. Whenever minus you have taken common, you can write plus here. Cos c, that is equal to minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b. Sin c. Yeah. This is sin c. Cos of a minus b plus sin c. Here you can write instead of c, this is sin 270 minus of a plus b. That is equal to minus 2 cos c into cos of a minus b. What is the value of sin 270 minus theta? Minus cos theta. Minus cos of a plus b. That is equal to minus 2 cos c into, even in international students, you should get the formula. To see the page number, just give the textbook. Just wait and see the formula. Page number 275. Open page number 275 and see the formula. The formula you face here. Cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Page number 275. That's all. That you should get. Understood? 2 sin a sin b. This is 2 sin a sin b. Understood? Well, have you seen the formula? 2 sin a sin b. Now what is the value of 2 into 2? 4. It is a minus 4 into, in the order you write, minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Not sin c, students, because it is cos. Minus 4 sin a sin b cos c. This is all of this. Mr. Shanugesh, how many sums are there remaining? 6. Let us, 3 sums are there in 8 question.
2
Only 2. Okay, let us finish today. Only 8. Tomorrow we will discuss 9th question and 10th question. 8th one now. Page number 290. Mr. Abdullah, page number 290, 8th question. If what is the value of a plus b plus c is equal to how much? 0. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0 degrees or simple 0? 0, okay. It means radians, no problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then prove that
sin 2a plus sin 2b plus
sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to
minus sin a sin b sin c.
minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c is equal to minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. If we have no idea regarding the formula, open page number 275 and see the formula and say that. What is the formula of sin c plus sin d? Do you have idea about formula? Say formula sin c plus sin d.
2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c plus d.
You are wrong. Once again, say Abdullah. Sin c, this one only. Sin c plus sin d. Okay. Plus the sin 2c formula 2 sin a cos a. Well understood. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now you apply here 2 sin of 2a plus 2b by 2 regarding c plus d. 2 sin of 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos of 2a minus 2b by 2. Plus here the general formula 2 sin c cos c. You don't know sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. That is equal to, apply here 2 sin of a plus b. So what is the application meaning? 2 taken common, 2 got cancelled. Here also 2 taken common, 2 got cancelled. Cos of a minus b. Plus this is 2 sin c cos c. That is equal to 2 sin of Instead of a plus b, you can apply here 0 minus c. 0 minus c into cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c cos c. That is equal to sin 0 minus c meaning minus signs. Sin of minus theta. Sin of minus theta formula minus sin theta. So minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b plus 2 sin c into cos c. That is equal to minus 2 sin c taken common. Minus 2 sin c taken common. Within the brackets we can write cos of a minus b minus cos c. Minus cos of a minus b minus cos c. That is equal to minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b minus. Instead of cos c, you can apply 0 degrees minus of a plus b. That is equal to minus 2 sin c into cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Don't get confused that there is no cos of minus theta. Cos of minus theta is always cos theta. It is a perfect proper formula. Cos of minus theta. For cos there is no minus. For cos it is only plus. So cos of minus theta becomes only cos theta. We should not write minus. Now you see the formula cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b into page number 275. Simply write minus 2 sin c into here 2 sin a sin b. This is 2 sin a sin b. So multiply and write in the order. Minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. That's all. This is RHS. Minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Zero, this one, 0 only, yeah.
Second thing. Sin A plus sin B minus sin C.
Sin A
Plus sin B minus sin C.
sin A plus sin B minus sin
Is equal to minus 4 sin A by cos A by 2 cos A by 2.
minus 4 cos A by 2
Cos B by 2 sin C by 2.
minus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Students, try yourself. Can you? Same concept sin A plus sin B. But sin A plus B, 2 sin A plus B by 2 here you will get. Cos of A minus by 2 because there is no 2 here. So 2 will not get cancelled. LHS sin A plus sin B minus sin C. The formula of sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Apply here 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Did you finish this one or? Cos of A minus B by 2. Cos of A minus B minus this is a submultiple angle formula 2 sin C by 2 into cos C. Because sin 2 is 2 sin A cos A. Instead of you should write sin 2 C single C 2 sin C by 2 cos C. It is called a submultiple angle. Now right here sin of this is 0 minus C by 2 because A plus B plus C equal to 0. 0 minus C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, not plus. For sin it is plus, for minus, for cos it is plus. So right here minus 2 sin C by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 minus 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. That is equal to, I think you can take common the value minus 2 sin C by 2. So within brackets you can write cos of A minus B by 2 plus cos C by 2 plus cos C by 2. That is equal to minus 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 cos of A minus B by 2 plus cos of, you can write 0 minus of A plus B by 2 0 minus of A plus B by 2, that is equal to minus 2 sin C by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2 plus, there is no minus for cos of minus it is always cos. So cos of A minus B by 2 plus cos of A plus B by 2. See the formula cos A minus B plus cos A plus B or cos A plus B plus cos A minus B in page number 275. No, middle plus is there. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 cos. Now you should write here 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. It is called as submultiple angle. 2 cos. Instead of A, you should write A by 2 and B. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 2 cos A cos B formula is there. You should write 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2. Multiply and write in the order. These are 4 minus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Minus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Minus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Two sums are there. Okay, tomorrow I discuss. Now I discuss some doubts. Okay, students, let us going to discuss the two sums. Remaining two sums are there in next class. I am stopping this class today. Okay.